Here's how you get more clients using LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is still one of the B2B leading social media platforms. And did you know that only 2% of users on LinkedIn actually post content versus 87% on Instagram? So LinkedIn Organic is really strong right now. And if you're trying to run ads on LinkedIn, by the way, it's about a $33 CPM. So that's $33 per 1,000 impressions. So that's actually really expensive. But the good news is that if you do a good job with organic reach, you're going to be able to go far with LinkedIn. So I want to give you 4 simple steps to get there. And if you stay to the very end, I'll actually share something else with you that will help you grow faster on LinkedIn as well. The number 1 step is you have to hook people. AIDA, so attention, interest, desire, and action. So get their attention, hook them, whatever you want to call it, you got to hook them first. So in this post over here, you can see that I hooked them with, hey, should you try to measure everything in marketing? So I put that over here. And then what I did was story, right? So to get them interested, I wrote a story over here. So 10 years ago, blah, 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 marketers used to do this. I'm not going to go into the meat of this, but you can see I wrote a little bit here. And then at the very end, I actually posted a picture of a tweet that I threw up, and the tweet actually did well too. So sometimes you can test how good your hook is by just writing a tweet or wherever you have a following and just see how well it does from an engagement standpoint. This one got about 5,500 likes or so, and about 421,000 people saw. The other thing I want to call out too is engagement pods. So an engagement pod is when you have a group of people, could be a group of 10, 15, 20 people or so. Maybe you're all in an iMessage group or WhatsApp group, and then you just share links, and then you're all going in there, and then you're liking something and you're commenting in there. And these engagement pods actually do really well. I'm in a handful of them, one for LinkedIn, one for Twitter. One has about like 20 people in it. The other one has about 14 people in it. My Twitter wasn't doing well for a while, and then once we started using engagement pods, it started to do a lot better. So it's pretty significant. It's the same deal with LinkedIn too. You have to get this initial engagement going. That way the algorithm can figure out, oh, this is actually really good. And how you do that is you build relationships with people. And how do you build relationships? You actually show interest in them and you try to be helpful, and then you're able to build these relationships. Now, number 4, last but not least, you have to be consistent. So if you're not consistent, then what's going to happen is you're going to be sporadic, and then the algorithm is not going to give you the benefits that you deserve, right? You got to be consistent so you can continue to compound over time. You know, if you're going to focus on LinkedIn, if you're going to try to get clients on LinkedIn, then you have to be consistent, because, you know, if you're getting a couple million impressions a month, 1 or 2 million impressions a month, over a year, maybe that's 12 to 24 million impressions or so. Do you really think you're not going to get any clients? Because for my ad agency, Single Grain, we've certainly gotten a lot of great clients from LinkedIn. You want to make sure that you optimize your profile too. So if you take a look at my profile, you can see I have a couple featured links. One links to the agency, the other one links to the podcast, and we have another one that's linking to the other podcast, Marketing School. So you want to make sure that you optimize it to the best of your ability. But LinkedIn, still a gold mine. Take advantage while you can. I think the party will continue on for maybe another 12 to 24 months or so. Also, because you stayed to the very end, I want to share a couple of other growth hacks that I've used to grow faster on LinkedIn. So you can check out that video over here. That is it for this video, and we will catch you later.